All right, everyone, today's gonna be special. Finally gonna get some epic aerial shots with this bad boy. This thing cost me 3 months of berry picking. Better be worth it. Okay, up we go.
Oh,
Easy does it.
come on, come back down here. Where are you, you expensive piece of?
Oh no, battery low? Already? It's been like 5 minutes. If this thing crashes, I'm eating sand for dinner. Well, that's one way to land. So maybe stick to ground level footage for now, at least until I read the manual.